So those are my ingredients to make a beef sandwich. A little bit of cheese. Well, let's do it. Pan. Add a little bit of oil. I already have my pan sitting, so it's hot. Just add some onions. And you just want to wait until they get a little bit brown. While we wait, put your bread in the toaster. Just let it sit. No, you want like a little brown color, but you don't want it to burn it. So then you just add your meat. And I already had this cooked, so I'm just basically warming it up. So like I said, these are good for like leftovers and everything, like quick snacks. Let that sit right there a little bit. No, you want the meat to get the flavor of the onion. And you just add a little bit of salt, because I don't have it seasoned. The meat's not seasoned or nothing, so just a little bit of salt. You can add peppers. My preference, I don't like pepper. Okay, our meat is done. So just turn off the stove, move it. Ooh. See if we could do this. Ah! Damn it. Don't try that at home. But anyway, have that warmed up. We'll add it to our bread. It is good. You could really taste the flavor of the onions. Then we just add cheese. And there you have it. A beef sandwich made in less than 3 minutes. So this is good for leftovers. The cheese, I used the Tostitos. Just pre-cooked it in the microwave. So yep, here's my sandwich. Let's try it out.